Have you been wondering how you can smoke your mackerel fish or salmon fish, as we call it in Ghana, to look like the one we sell in the market? Worry not, this video is for you. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So I visited a subscriber and he requested for this. I have a lot of videos that I made at his place, which I will be sharing with you. Okay, so today's video is about the mackerel, and we went out for some fish, and after that, this is what we are going to prepare. So I have the mackerel fish here. I washed very well with my lemon juice, that is fresh lemon juice, behind the camera, and now I am washing it again or cleaning it again with water. Okay, so after that I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. You can omit this. Okay, I'll go ahead and add some salt and my fish seasoning. So if you want to omit this, you can omit that as well and use only salt, but with this it adds another taste to it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, because the fish is quite big, we are just going to leave it in the water for about 30 minutes, but mine was in the water for more than an hour because I was doing something else. So after 1 hour, I just remove it from the water, let it drain. I mean the water to drain. So as you can see, it is on the rack, and after it is done draining, the water is done draining, I will just place it in the oven and then we proceed. I think I'm in love with my subscribers oven. The oven is a virgin. Okay, it's new, so I'm the first person using it. That is just by the way. So we are going to set our oven to 350 degrees. So as you can see on the screen, you can use the broiler, but I'm using the big. Yes, the big option makes it nicer. Okay, so if you've watched me till this point and you haven't followed or subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the red button and follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes for more videos. So after 30 minutes, this is how our fish is looking. Perfect, easy to make at home, and the taste was Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, always remember I love you. Stay blessed. Bye.